to the ITSM Practice Podcast.
Ciao and welcome back to the ITSM Practice. I'm Luigi Ferri and today we confront a shift that's reshaping everything from org charts to roadmaps. The move from project-driven IT to product-centric leadership. And for FinTech organizations, this is not just a buzzword. It's the difference between surviving disruption and designing it. So let me ask, are you still managing delivery or are you building value? Let's begin. Traditionally, projects are bound by scope, time, and budget. They start, they end, they are evaluated by timelines, not transformation. But digital products, especially in FinTech, don't end, they evolve. This is what Gartner calls a product-centric shift, with 70% of chief information officers expecting to adopt it within 5 years. It's not just about naming a product manager. It's about building a new operating model where IT delivers continuous value, not one-time releases. So ask yourself, are your teams optimizing for delivery or for outcomes? In a product-led organization, your mobile payment feature is not a project. It's a living product. Your compliance dashboard is not a deliverable. It's a core capability. Your digital onboarding tool evolves weekly, not quarterly. This means cross-functional teams own the full life cycle, from idea to iteration, from deployment to retirement. It's about learning continuously and shipping value frequently. To make this real, Chief Information Officers must redesign IT from the ground up. Cross-functional teams. At CarMax, they literally moved walls so developers, UX experts, and product managers could co-create in the same space. Product ownership. Each product should have a clear owner, someone who speaks both tech and business. Governance without bureaucracy. Create product councils that include finance, operations, compliance, and customer support. Life cycle management. Use modern PLM tools to manage each stage, from design to decommissioning. Now, let's pause and self-assess. If you are in FinTech and wondering whether you are ready to move from projects to products, answer these 5 yes or no questions. First, do you have persistent teams aligned to products, not temporary project squads? Second, can each product team access real-time customer feedback and usage data? Third, is funding allocated per product, not per project? 4, do business and IT stakeholders define success together, using outcome-based KPIs? Last point, does your compliance and risk team work with your product team, not after them? Let's review the scoring. 4, 5 yes, you are on the path. 2 or 3 yes, you are ready, but only with the leadership and cultural changes. 0, 1 yes, you are still managing projects, even if you call them products. Let's revisit the essentials. Your product-centric checklist. From deadlines to life cycles, from delivery to value, from silos to teams, from project budgets to product funding, from command to culture. If you shut down your PMO tomorrow, would your teams still know what value to deliver next week? That's the real test of product thinking. Connect with me on LinkedIn if this episode challenged your perspective. Let's build digital organizations that are not just fast, but thoughtful. Until next time, stay curious, stay modular, and as always, arrivederci. This was the ITSM practice with me, Luigi Ferri.